Hi, my name is Christian, and this is my lunch break. Today you're going to join me in making a sparkling lemon drop martini. What's a great New Year's without a great party, and what's a great party without a great drink? Well, this sparkling lemon drop martini is the answer to that, because your guests will love it, and it's sweet, it's tarty, it's sparkling, and it's the perfect way to ring in the new year when that ball drops. And let's watch the ball drop with a lemon drop. To make the optional garnish, which I love to add because it adds a little zhuzh to your drink and makes it a little bit more fun, I take a lemon slice and then I lightly dab the lemon slice with oil and simply press it onto this grill pan for about 30 seconds. And after that, I just flip the lemon slice over for the beautiful grill marks. So I have a plate here with a couple tablespoons of granulated sugar. I take my lemon slice and rub the rim of my martini glass, as you see here. And then I tilt the martini glass to about 45-degree angles, and then I spin it along the edge of the glass so you get that nice, beautiful, packed rim. I like to spin it twice so that way you get a lot of sugar on there. Voila. So I take simple syrup, add that to the shaker, and then I take my lemon juice, my freshly squeezed lemon juice, pour that in. Now my favorite part, the gin. And now I just add some ice to it to make it nice and cold. Then top it off. And give it a good shake. And, oh! Pop it off. Then I take the straightener, place it on the top of my shaker, pour it into my martini glass, and now we add the bubbles. Look at those sparkles. Now I take the lemon slice that we made earlier. I cut a little wedge into it and place it right here at the edge of my martini glass, and voila! You have the perfect sparkling lemon drop martini. I mean, I'm gonna get tipsy by the time we finish this. You can order all of the ingredients for this recipe. Either choose delivery or curbside pickup via the link below. Thanks for joining me on my lunch break. Cheers and Happy New Year.